Hello, my name is ABC. I'm 33 years old. I work as an IT engineer. I'm from India. I like reading books and love to swim. I'm a good cook too. I'm planning to apply Australian permanent residency in future as I feel there is a very good scope of IT. English is a widely used language and even it is an international language too, so it is very important for all of us to learn English, especially people traveling abroad. I am appearing in PT to get required score for my Australian visa, so I have chosen PT because first of all it is completely online exam and we get very quick result.